lobby bar. Here we will take some shapes there and keep on making these shapes again. Then further make the further design. Then again make the design. So let's make a further. There we have. Here we will consider it. Then further use it. Let's create the more designs. So we will have that one. There we will make it. So we will have